Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a beautiful fancy threaded sleeves which you can manipulate yourself. So the length of this sleeve is we're going to start making it from scratch. So the length is 23. So if you want to make your own sleeve, you get your armhole measurements, then you get the length. So the armhole measurement of this sleeve is 90 inches. So we're going to put 9.5 here. See, 9.5, and you go down by 4 inches. So this is it. You go down by 4 inches, then you trace it to meet the 9 inches there. Then you take your wrist measurements, which is mine is 7, but I don't want it to be too tight. I'm going to make it, if you are making stretch fabric, you can make it exactly the same size, or you put like half an inch for his, or you make it 8 inches. So on this tutorial, I'm going to make my 8 inches, 8.5 inches. So we're going to put, no, let me make it 8 inches. So you take 4 inches because it's on fold already. So you take 4 inches here plus sewing seam, which is half inches. You add it together, then you connect. Let me get my ruler. Then you connect it together and add half inches here for sewing allowance. Then you connect it together. This is just a simple way to make your sleeves. Six 6.5 for the back and 9.5 for the front. So now we're going to roll it out. So I'm supposed to roll it before I cut it. So we're going to take the measurement of 2 inches. I take 1 inch here, 1 inch here, that is 2 inches. So you mark it out like this. One inches, 2 inches, 1 inch, 2 inches. Then this is 6.5 inches and 9.5 inches, and this is 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So we take it down, the rest is going to be 1 inch. Okay, so now we're going to cut. Take this off. We're going to cut this off, then all these the video, take the picture.